Guys, welcome back to another video. My dog's just staring at me while I do this. Alright, today we're going to be talking about the new giveaway I'm hosting. It's going to be a gift card of your choice. Now before I show the gift cards, I'm going to tell you guys how to sign up and enter the giveaway. So basically, you download Fetch Rewards. Okay, it's a receipt scanning app that you earn $2 if you use my code. Let's check out my code real quick. Yeah, you see I've already made $37 so far. But basically, you want to go to use my code. Here it is. T1V5W. Oh, as you see, there's some people that already entered the giveaway. Okay, so if you use this code and you scan your first receipt, you earn a free $2, not including being entered into the giveaway. So you're being entered into the giveaway and being paid to do it. Easy money. But basically, to do that, you just want to sign up using that code that I just told you guys about. Scan a receipt. Any receipt within a 14-day span of buying it. So it has to be 14 days or less, and then it works. But you guys do that. Most stores work. I don't know which one off the top of my head don't work. I know O'Reilly's doesn't work, and what was the other one? Yeah, I don't remember the other one. But yeah, okay. Now we're gonna go check out the ones, or the gift cards that you guys can be given. Okay, so basically, you guys have a choice between Amazon, Apple iTunes, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, GameStop, Google Play, PlayStation Store, Walmart, and then Xbox gift card. Okay, now the reason why I'm doing this, guys, is because if you guys don't know, I recently hit 150 subscribers. Oh, they're not going to the website. We're gonna go over here. I've hit a lot of milestones, miniature ones, not like 100,000 subs, you know, not those, but a bunch of mini milestones. So let's just check this out. We're gonna go back 3 weeks. 3 weeks, 120, 130 1 week ago. I've gained so many this week that it's okay. I don't know why it says 140 and then 150, but yeah, I guess. And then 2,500 views, guys. I've been doing YouTube for a little over 3 years now. About catching up to 4 years, I think. 2,500 views is a lot for someone with only 167 subscribers. And the fact that I've grown, like the channel's grown so fast in the past week, is insane. So thank you to everybody that subscribed. Most people subscribed. Because if you guys don't know, I bought a Terraria All Items World, and I've been hosting giveaways on there. So if you guys want to, you can add me, Clanishrook89 Xbox, and message me. I'll enter you guys, or I'll invite you guys, or I post on the group post of Terraria, All Items World. All you have to do is just ask to join, and I might accept you guys. I'm gonna start doing drop-offs on there. Some people joined my party and they don't know I'm not there anymore. Okay, they're just talking. But yeah, if you, and then not only on YouTube have I grown a couple of subscribers, but Instagram too. I started out with 227, I think, and I got 182 in less than a week, or about a week. Let's see all the stacks. But yeah, So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know about the fetch rewards because I've been spamming it in my posts the whole time. See this, most of the stuff, you know. Get money, free money. Those are the contestants right now. I haven't updated it yet. I'm updating it right as soon as this thing comes out. I'm gonna be hosting Terraria All Items World. I might be. I'm pretty sure I'll be. But yeah. If you guys don't know who owns the All Items World, if you guys don't know who Rezo Drizzle is, he's a Terraria YouTuber. He does mobile. He does everything, guys. Besides PlayStation, I don't think he does PlayStation. But yeah, I'm hosting a gift card giveaway. But just one more time, okay? Go to Fetch Rewards, download that, use my code T1V5W to be entered. After you use this code and you scan your first receipt, all you have to do is send me a screenshot of you with the 2,000 points and tell me your name, and if I see your name on there, I'll enter you guys in the giveaway. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna be posting a Modern Warfare video, Warzone, funny moments and bad moments and cool moments, you know. But yeah, basically that's it. Comment down below if you guys want to be entered in the next one. And if I get enough people to use this code, I can get another receipt, or not receipt. No, that's what you guys need to do, is scan the receipt. God, there's so many people in my party right now. 5 people just joined and are asking for Terraria items. But if I get enough people to use this code, I can do more giveaways and give back to you guys a little bit more. But yeah, I think that's it. So I'll see you guys in the Modern Warfare video.